So we have heard of BTC, we have heard of Ethereum, we have heard of Solana, and we know that these cryptocurrencies are generally known for their long crypto addresses, which contains random string of characters, which makes it difficult for users to remember, which is prone to errors. Now, you might be wondering what replaces these long crypto addresses. Now, FIRO has brought out a new feature called Spark names. So Spark names replaces those cumbersome addresses and replaces them with simple memorable names like your name. What am I trying to explain? Users can share their Spark names instead of their crypto addresses, streamlining the transaction process. Now, this makes crypto more accessible to everyday users. Now, since FIRO is a privacy blockchain, how can privacy problem be solved? Now, we are familiar with the traditional blockchains where you go to a blockchain explorer and you'll be able to see the transaction history of the sender or the receiver. But that's different with FIRO. Now, FIRO blockchain is a privacy focused blockchain. So basically, the Spark names are linked to the FIRO's privacy focused Spark addresses. Now, these addresses are not searchable on the blockchain, which hides every transaction detail. So, how does the Spark name work? Number one, a user has to desire a name for the Spark name. Then, during the registration, the user links his Spark name or the desired name to the Spark address. Number two, if Mr. A is sending FIRO to Mr. B to his Spark name, the FIRO system automatically resolves the name to the corresponding Spark address. Number three, during the transaction uses a privacy preserving Spark address, ensuring the sender and the receiver knows each person's Spark name, but the transaction history is still kept confidential. A user can add his metadata to his Spark name. What do I mean by adding his metadata to his Spark name? The user can add his X username to his Spark name, creating a decentralized digital identity. Number five, you might be wondering, if I create a Spark name, is it forever? No. The Spark name requires an annual renewal, preventing name squatting, and at the same time generating ongoing revenue for the FIRO community fund.